Hi, today I'm going to talk about the Biology Required Practical number 9. That is in B7, Ecology, and this is on quadrats and transects. These topics are examples of sampling, and sampling is what you do when it becomes impossible to get an accurate figure of an organism in its environment. For example, when you're counting daisies, as shown in this guide. It becomes impossible really because there are just so many of them in a large area. So instead of trying to count them, you take a sample during which you get an estimate. This is done usually using a piece of equipment like this, a quadrat. This is just a simple plastic or wire square that's usually 1 meter squared, but it can come in other sizes such as 0.5 meters, 0.25 meters, and even bigger than 1 meter squared. But usually it's 1 meter squared. I'm going to treat this and another method separately in 2 different videos, just because of video length limitations. The first thing you need to do when calculating an estimate using sampling with a quadrat is the area that you're going to work with. So, for example, if the area or an area within a field is 150 meters squared, that's the number that you need first. So you'd need to measure that out. When you've done that, you would need to calculate a mean, but before that, you might want to do something like this. This is a grid that allows us to calculate coordinates. So this is our 150 meter square area. We've split it into 10 by 10 squares, which is 100 squares altogether, and we can put coordinates like this: 2, 3, 2, 10, 3, 7, and so on. This is purely so that we can get a truly random sample rather than selecting areas that might have more daisies in than others.